Hello, my name is Amy St. John with Roper Mountain Science Center. Today, I hope you'll join me in making 4 different musical instruments. But first, let's talk about sound. So what exactly is sound? Let's test it out for ourselves. Cover your eyes and tell me, what do you hear? What did you hear? If you heard horns honking or cars zooming by, we commonly call that noise. If you hear a guitar or something else playing, we call it a note. And a bunch of notes strung together is called music. In order for there to be sound, we have to start with vibrations. Vibrating is when something shakes really fast. The vibrations make the particles around them shake, causing a sound. Today, we're going to create 4 instruments that all make different sounds. Try making these instruments at home to see how many different sounds you can make. In order to make our 4 musical instruments, you'll need a few items. Some water, rice, straws, rubber bands, some glasses, food coloring, a wooden spoon, and some sort of box. In order to make your water xylophone, you'll need cups, food coloring, some water, and a spoon to test out your instrument. First step is pour different amounts of water into each cup. Great job. Next, if you choose, dye your water. Okay, as you can see, I have my cups filled with different amounts of water and different colors, just so you can easily see how much water is in each. Next, take your spoon and run it across, and that is your water xylophone. Okay, let's make our harmonica. You're going to take your straws and put them together in a line. Since I have different colors, I'm going to keep all the colors together. Use some tape and put it around the bottom of your straws. So it'll look like this. Next, take your scissors and cut the straws at different lengths. When it's done, it'll look like this. In order to play your harmonica, you're going to flip it over and go like this. Great job. For our next instrument, we're going to make a guitar. First, take your piece of cardboard and cut the front off so you can see that it'll look like this. Next, tape the sides together. So it'll look like that. The next step, if you choose, is to attach your paint stick or your spoon. So you're going to flip it over and attach your paint stick so that you have a little bit hanging out. you're going to take your rubber bands. You can use as many or as few as you would like, but I do recommend you use different widths. So you see I have kind of a thicker width, a medium, and a smaller one. That will allow you to create different sounds through the size of the rubber bands. So I'm going to put my thicker one on first. Then my medium. And now my small one. All right. So it'll look like this. So now you're going to be able to strum your guitar. Great job, everyone. Let's move on to our next and final instrument, the Rainstick. To make your Rainstick, you're going to want to gather the ingredients that you're going to need. First, remember you need a toilet paper or paper towel tube roll, rubber bands, some rice or something similar, and then something to seal it with. I've decided to go with press and seal, but you could use tape, you could use wax paper, anything like that. So what you're going to do is want to seal up one of the ends. So I'm going to use my press and seal and tape and seal up one of the ends. Like that. That way none of the rice can get through. Next, you're going to take your rice or whatever you're using and dump it in. And the final step is to take your other piece and seal the other ends. Definitely encourage you to take some time before or after you're done to decorate your Rainstick to make sure it's your very own. And there you have it, your own Rainstick. Thank you so much for joining me today. While we made a few different musical instruments, be sure to post your musical instruments on Facebook or on Instagram and make sure you tag us at Roper Mountain. Thank you. Have a great day.